Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see this is my Windows laptop. I need to format this laptop using bootable pen drive. In this video we will see how to bootable the pen drive using your Mac laptop. Otherwise you can apply the same process Windows laptop as well. In this video we will see how to download Windows 11 operating system and how to bootable this pen drive. Afterwards I will show you how to install the Windows laptop. How to do it? Let's check it out. So first of all, I just simply connect my pen drive here in my Mac laptop. I just use extension for the pen drive is a USB port. So now I just simply open here. This is the website of Microsoft. Even I already added this link in video description. So simply you come to this platform and download here the Windows 11 multi edition. If you click here, afterwards here just simply download. This is the download process is going on. I already download, so I just simply say cancel. I already download this system. You can see here this is the iOS file, comes in 7.75 GB, around 8 GB. And now next point come here, how to bootable the pen drive. So that condition in your Mac, you need to open terminal. Inside the terminal you just simply erase some of the commands. I already added those commands in video description. So look at this here, disk utility list, enter here. So you can see here which one is your pen drive, which one is your external, internal hard drive. So here the disk 4 is my pen drive. How I recognize this one? Because of this one is a 32 gigabyte pen drive and here showing 30 GB pen drive. It means this is my pen drive. Next command, I just simply raise here unmountDisk /dev/ exactly pen drive name, enter here. So look at this sir, unmount all volume of disk 4 was successful. It means I'm consuming entire pen drive space for the making the bootable. Next command we need to release here. So first of all we can see here where is my operating system, Windows operating system as iOS file is download folder. So I just simply say here enter the download, enter here. Look at this here, this is my file. If you see here pwd, this is the path of exactly. So I just simply type here my path. So look at this here, you need to run this command properly. Even I already added this command in video description. You just simply change this location and replace this one. So first of all you need to put it here sudo space dd space if equal to username sing download, and this is the Windows file. This is the downloadable file name. I will show you here. This is the file name. I just simply copy here entire .ios extension as well. Space off equal to dev, and this is the r write disk 4 space bs equal to 1m, and just simply enter here. Type here Mac password, enter, and for that condition you need to spend around 5 to 6 minutes to complete this process, and afterward very easily the pen drive is bootable. Wait couple of seconds to complete this process. I just simply wait here couple of minutes to complete this process. So look at this here, after spending around 5 to 10 minutes such a message is displayed here. It means my pen drive is bootable, it's easy. Afterwards I just simply open here my dock station, and here the pen drive is not showing. I just simply remove and connect again once again. So here the pen drive is displaying. Look at this here. If I open here, so such a bootable device is ready. It's easy. Now I just simply close this one and we can remove the pen drive as well. So here is my Windows laptop. I just simply remove the extension and connect here the pen drive, and let's see output is happen. I just simply say here browse, here is the pen drive. I say okay. Afterwards you can very easily install the Windows operating system in your Windows. Afterwards you can very easily install Windows OS to Windows laptop. This is the simple tips and tricks. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.